voulais qu'on essaye le même camping que l'an dernier?
Ouais.
Comme ça, tu revois ta copine, là, Jamal? Ouais.
Dans 200 mètres, tourne à droite sur l'avenue Jean Jaurès et 6 K.
Non, ça va oui, mais 2.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Our people, we just drive 1.5 hours. We're on a weekend getaway. We're away for the weekend. You'll soon see the rest of the family. Alex is not here, people. Alex come of age. Alex don't really want to come to our activity because what we consider as fun, Alex don't consider that as fun, so he don't want to come with me. So I'm going to do one thing. Say hello, Jamoy.
Hello.
We just reached the camping. We're going to spend 2 nights tomorrow, and no, we're going to sleep tonight and leave tomorrow. So stay here with us as we camp and have a good time this weekend. We're ready if you have a good time. We're ready if you have a good time. You to Jamoy? You? You ready if you have a good time? I'm gonna see you.
Yeah.
See me. See my ear color. It don't look too bad on people. I want it blonde because I want to put one bright color over it. So that's why I was so disappointed with the color when we get.
Which was
The same spot?
Oh, but if you want to go back to the same spot.
No, we can't choose anywhere.
C'était le meilleur. We have space a little bit everywhere.
Alright, we go to somewhere.
I don't want to know where it is.
Yeah, this another color. Me did want one brighter color.
You want this size or the other one?
Make we turn a little bit this way. I remember we played this way. Come here, you a drive today. Your belly stop hurt, your head stop hurt, you know.
Ça va mieux ta tête même? Un peu.
One private part, no one. Let my weekend begin.
Pas dedans l'eau avec. Ah ouais? Surtout en plastique, moi je me mets pas sur les cailloux, ça fait pas mal au pied. Là dans la rivière.
Il y a plein de cailloux, plein
We're
de
just be right back this one.
attention à mon bobo.
Alors, Gmail.
Mais
C'est quoi d'autre là?
We'll get some lemonade.
Attends, mon bobo.
Cheers.
Il y a un tout.
Qu'est-ce que c'est ça?
Non.
C'est même pas un bobo. C'est comme ton papa. Des champignons. Garde bien tes...
C'est sûr? Pourquoi? On va raconter avant.
C'est un peu idiot ce que je viens de dire.
On était déjà.
And a moonshine. No, no. You know, the Jamaican is just a Jamaican color.
What is this shit? What is this shit?
Quoi? Maya want weekend away? But on yaso, you have to pay for yourself what they do it or you what they do it and pay for it now? You know nothing to do with them.
Ben,
On
Adam,
pris la tête.
2 minutes. 2 minutes, on n'est pas pressé, on va pas dormir là maintenant tout de suite.
Mais moi, j'ai envie de me reposer.
T'inquiète, on va reposer ensemble. See him?
Les pigeons, ils peuvent,
Comment il est là?
ils peuvent voir derrière eux.
Vas-y, essaie de l'attraper par derrière, on va voir s'il s'en va.
Good, you take out the camera. I want to go film on that we not eat because I'm super hungry.
Ah bah oui, mais là, ça fait trop de bruit là. Là, tu
In gone?
t'es pas fait bien discrète là. Hein, tu es allé franco là. Hein. T'es pas fait toute discrète là.
Go and catch another one, Mimi. Mimi, go and catch one more. Quick! Go on over there so we see no more. Look. You still got to be with house for the next 1.5 days. You not find him?
Non, il y en a zéro.
When he get so big?
La grille, elles sont où tes clés? Papa, porte tes clés.
Oui, faut le faire étaler. Moi, je vais la taper du même, c'est ok.
I did take up them 2 beer back, we can take one picture.
Et c'est moi qui ai choisi de le dessiner comme ça.
Me just take one good picture while I go with the 2 beer back lemon away.
Parce qu'en fait, il y avait plusieurs papas. Et je leur ai dessiné sur du papier. Après, sur du plastique qui s'avait durci. Et voilà. Après, le papa porte tout.
Nice parakeet. Carrie, come and see it? Watch you fly them. I'm just going to have a glimpse at the river with the canoe. A glimpse of the river. Alright, that we're gonna do tomorrow. And last year while we were here, me and Maya never get to do it because Maya was too young. This year she's still too young because they say it starts at 7. So we are going to see tomorrow if she can get to do it or no. But this little spot here, so it's going to be our house for the next day and a half. We're going to set up the tent. I'm not sure if like, yeah, so. Or yeah, so yeah. But we're going to set up the tent. Bonne nuit, Maya. Just you go sleep tonight? Hmm? You go sleep better tonight?
Je vais dormir dedans.
Mais out the door without the tent.
Je veux dormir dedans, ce sera tout couchage.
You afraid?
Mais trop confortable.
So you abandoned the last hen?
Je vais coiffer mon toutou.
Maya, regarde là-bas. Il y a un camion avec tous les canoës. Regarde, il y a plein de canoës derrière.
Oui, mais moi j'ai un miroir. J'ai un miroir, c'est cool, hein?
Oui, j'ai vu. One truck with all of the canoe in them. Or then pick it back from the riverside. But me might sleep. Sleep.
Encore une fois.
Tu m'as gagné à river? Tu m'as gagné à river? Now a tour for the tent. Alright, bedroom number 1. Say hello. You asleep? You sleeping? She pretends that she asleep. Alright, this is bedroom number 1. You see? One big enough mattress. We can hold 2 persons.
Il va faire fille. Et garçon. Voilà.
Oui, oui. Like a kitchen area with the igloo and the chairs. And then bedroom number 2.
Quand t'es garçon, quand t'es fille. Je peux mettre mon maillot de bain?
Oui, après. Bedroom number 2. Come to me, lie down.
Non, ça c'est vous.
Oui.
Non, ça c'est nous. Non, c'est les couettes. Vous, c'est là.
Oui.
Et
Alright,
nous,
just,
c'est là.
oui, je sais. Allez, lie down.
Mais non, là c'est trop confortable.
Lie down, Jermoy. Lie down, let me see how big in there is.
Mais là c'est trop confortable.
Voilà. You see, a big enough bed. For 2 persons.
Non, je voulais faire fille.
And for 2 persons. You might have to cross your bed there and it'll work.
Fille, garçon.
Now, the grace. Voila. Alright, we set up camp. And we move down to the riverside. Isn't this nice? Just wonderful. Somebody made it and leave it here. I will come right in time that nobody is here. On the riverside, yes, you have people on the riverside, but we get one little quiet part for ourselves under the shade. Because the sun has pelted out here. I'm going to go grease the water. And tomorrow we are going to try to see if we can do that. It will be my first time trying it. I'm going to see how it goes.